how to fix error code 1017 in Disney Plus. Now, the error code 1017 means that the cache or installation of the Disney app is corrupt. So what we will do is you're going to go to your settings and you're going to locate your apps. Over here, simply look for manage apps. Now, the process is similar to any devices, and you're going to look over here and let's search for our Disney Plus to save time. Over here, and you're going to be able to clear your cache or reinstall it by simply clicking on the clear data over here at the bottom and click on clear cache, or you could also clear data. And if that does not work, you could also try to reinstall the app itself. Now, sometimes it could also be caused by your router, a DNS setting by your router. So you could also try to refresh your internet or your Wi-Fi router to try to be able to fix this issue. So that's basically it, guys. If you consider leaving a like and subscribe, thanks for watching.